Hi everyone, welcome back to Newly Gadget, your go-to channel for the smartest innovations in modern technology. Today, we're re-exploring 7 of the best examples of IoT in daily life. Real devices that are already transforming homes around the world. Let's get started. 7 best examples of IoT in daily life. The Internet of Things. IoT is no longer just a futuristic concept. It is already part of our everyday lives, from home appliances to personal care devices. IoT connects objects to the internet, allowing them to collect data, communicate, and make our lives easier. Here are 7 of the best examples of IoT in daily life. Smart washing machines. Modern washing machines can now be controlled from your smartphone. Some models detect how dirty your clothes are and recommend the best wash cycle. They can even notify you when detergent is running low. These machines are also designed to be energy efficient, helping you save electricity and water. Smart TVs. Smart TVs come with built-in Wi-Fi and allow you to stream content, mirror your phone screen, and even control them with voice commands. They've transformed home entertainment by connecting directly to the internet and streaming services. 3. Robot vacuum cleaners. These smart devices use sensors to map your home, avoid obstacles, and clean different surfaces automatically. Some models even return to their charging dock when the battery runs low. 4. Smart toothbrushes. Smart toothbrushes connect to mobile apps and track your brushing habits. They show which areas you missed and remind you when to replace the brush head, improving your overall oral health. Smart lights. With smart lighting, you can control brightness, color, and scheduling from your phone or through voice assistants. They also help improve home security and reduce energy costs. 6. Pet trackers. GPS tracking devices attached to your pet's collar allow you to monitor their location in real time through an app, giving pet owners peace of mind. 7. Smart baby monitors. Advanced baby monitors track sleep patterns, breathing, room temperature, and more. Parents can access this information through an app to ensure their baby's safety and comfort. IoT devices are transforming everyday life by making homes smarter, safer, and more efficient. And as technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more intelligent innovations in the near future. If you enjoyed learning about these smart IoT devices, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Newly Gadget for more future tech content. Which IoT device do you already use at home, and which one would you like to try? Let me know in the comments below. Stay smart, stay connected, and I'll see you in the next video.